In this experiment, we're going to explore with decomposition reactions. We're going to break down or decompose H2O2, which is hydrogen peroxide, also known as agua oxigenada, into water and oxygen gas. In order to do so, we need a catalyst. In this case, the catalyst will be manganese oxide.
Take time to feel the temperature of the hydrogen peroxide and be sure it's at room temperature.
Now, to begin our experiment, we're going to pour 10 milliliters of this hydrogen peroxide, agua oxigenada, also known as H2O2.
Now, as a catalyst for our experiment, we are going to use manganese. We will add about an inch of the catalyst into our substance, which is hydrogen peroxide. Okay, as we pour or put the magnesium oxide into the reactant, we will witness the products immediately. So therefore, we must take action in order to witness the products. But how will we do this? In order to witness the water which will be produced, we need to place immediately this test tube over the other test tube in order to see the condensation of the water. In order to witness the oxygen product, we will use a toothpick in order to see it. But how will we do this? We will light the toothpick, blow it off, and immediately, once it is red, put it above the test tube by moving this a little bit in order to see the toothpick return to fire, or like a little spark. That will show us that the oxygen is actually there. As you can see, the light is lighting up, which means that oxygen is being present and the tube is being condensed, which signifies that there's water.
You need a small beaker, a small bowl, a candle.
After we did this experiment, as we touch our beaker, we can see and feel that the substance is much more warmer. Along with the water and the oxygen that was produced, the hot temperature of the reactant or the product is evidence that a chemical reaction took place, specifically decomposition,
Because it released heat.